I'm going to show you how to create an invoice here in QuickBooks Online. So once you're logged into your QuickBooks Online, you're going to go to the New button. This is pretty much how you access everything. Invoice. And now we start by entering in a customer's name. So you can select from a drop-down or you can add a new customer. I'm going to add that one. Go to Details here. It's always a good habit to enter as many details as you can for each company. So I'm going to enter in my email address, my phone number, and then down here you can enter billing address. You can enter notes for that customer, tax info. If this is a tax exempt customer, what you should do is enter in their exemption number from their exemption certificate in here and then uncheck this box. If they are taxable, and if you have taxable products, make sure this is checked though. Payment and billing, you can enter a preferred payment method for the customer. Print later, send later, or none. That basically means if you want to have a different option other than sending the invoice right now, you can select that. You can customize terms for each customer. Opening balance, be careful with this. If you enter a number in here, it's going to affect your books and it's going to create an entry into opening balance equity in your books, which can really screw you up. So be sure if you're doing this that it's at the very start of your QuickBooks Online company, and just know you should probably get an accountant involved to make sure everything is accurate. Language attachments, if you collect W-9s, this is a good idea to attach it here as well as those exemption certificates for the non-taxable clients. And then additional info, you can do customer types, things like that. So I'm going to select save. So my terms, net 30. Select a service date, let's just do today. Product or services, let's do concrete. $250. You can see that this is marked taxable. You have to set up these products and services the way that you want in the setup before you start invoicing. So this one is marked as taxable, so it's going to automatically pop in like that. And then let's add a service, which should be non-taxable generally, depending on where you live. Gardening service, $100 non-taxable. You can see that QuickBooks Online automatically calculates the tax for you if you have sales taxes set up. More on that in another video. Discount percent, so if you've agreed on a discount, you can say 15%. I'm going to charge them $25 for shipping. They paid me a $200 deposit beforehand, so now the balance due is $142.50. Make sure you understand how this works before you just start keying in deposits. And then you can add in some attachments as well. Put a message on the statement, message on the invoice. And then what you do is you click either Save and Send or Save and Close. If you're going to go ahead and send it now, I would just click Save and Send, and then what's going to happen is you're going to get a preview of the email it'll send to the customer. So it'll show you here. Okay, that is the invoice, and then on the left-hand side here is the preview for the actual email. So you have the subject line and the body. You can customize it right here and then hit Send and Close. Once you do that, it'll get sent off to the customer. If you have more specific questions, feel free to contact me, Casey Moss Tax and Accounting, LLC in Illinois. My website is CaseyMossTax.com.